Welcome to Offgrid Victory. So the bees are doing really well here, and I was just checking on them to see how they like their new housing, right? I mean, yeah, it actually costs us money to build this thing, but yes, so it's not free government subsidized. It's free, I guess, homesteader subsidized. But lo and behold, when I was back here, look what I discovered. And yeah, some of these are a little too late, but I got a whole bunch of shiitake mushrooms growing here, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. So when you have wild edibles and edibles that you grow on the land like this, shiitake mushroom, sometimes it gets disguised too well within the forage, right? Like here's the rest of the forage. I tried to grow some shiitake mushrooms on that stump. That didn't really take, but these are taking off. So I've had these shiitakes probably in for about a year. And it is basically the end of August, and we're getting a nice little harvest here, right? So anyway, yeah, don't forget your food plots. Like for me, sometimes with everything going on, we really have some guerrilla gardening, and sometimes you don't see what you have, right? So yeah, go ahead and collect your shiitake mushrooms now if you have them. Alrighty, shalom.